Our college was established in the year 2012-13 under Anand Agricultural University Anand, situated on the state highway of Bodeli to Chota Udaipur, 6 kilometers away from Bodeli in the pure atmosphere of rural area, has luxurious green campus of about 20 hectares of fertile land. We aim to cater the needs of agricultural education in the tribal region of Chota Udaipur district by imparting benchmark knowledge in the field of agriculture by our 4-year degree program of BSc Honours Agriculture.
The vision and mission of our college is to provide a community with a uniform sense of purpose and direction.
It is one of the premier institutes with fabulous quality education and keeping pace with ever-changing world of agriculture. Our vision is to achieve excellence in professional education and to create an ecosystem for holistic development of all stakeholders.
Our mission is to provide an environment for effective learning and innovation to transform students into dynamic, responsible and productive profession.
The name College of Agriculture Jabugam in itself is enough to tell about the standard and excellence of this institute. It is one of the premier institutes which provides graduate program in BSc Honours Agriculture. The academy of the college surpasses those of many noteworthy institutes, but mere words proves nothing. Their numbers speaks for themselves. Besides this, co-curricular activities like Republic Day celebration, Independence Day celebration, Teachers Day celebration, Parthenium Week, Fit India Movement, Women's Self-Defense Training Program are also celebrated in college. Besides this, the college also encourages physical development of students by encouraging them to participate in inter-college sports tournaments like Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, Cricket, Volleyball, Table Tennis, Chess, Badminton, etc. Thus, College of Agriculture Jabugam focuses on integrated development of students in both education and sports. The college also searches for special talent in students by encouraging them to participate in inter-college cultural events like drama, mono-acting, mime, folk dance.
Every college makes a strong foothold with concrete infrastructures. There are various facilities available on campus for the students.
COA Jabugam has air-conditioned lecture halls to provide comfort in learning to the students. Classrooms are well ventilated coupled with projector. Hostels also have mess which serves tasty and hygienic food and also have a kitchen attached to the mess hall. College also have a library and well-equipped laboratories with all necessary instruments. COA Jabugam campus also have staff quarters for teaching faculties and a separate house for principal sir.
Hostels are spacious as well as well furnished, and there are separate hostels for boys and girls.
Apart from that, hostels also include Wi-Fi, TV room, reading room and generator. All rooms in hostel are well ventilated combined with metallic lockers and furnished with tables and chairs. The campus is also endowed with prop cafeteria, gymnasium, farmers training center and research farms.
In College of Agriculture Jabugam, subjects like agricultural entomology, soil science and agricultural chemistry, agricultural economics, agricultural engineering, genetics and plant breeding, agricultural extension and communication, plant pathology, horticulture and agronomy are taught. The college provides Rural Agricultural Work Experience Program to the students of 7th semester, which provides an opportunity to students for understanding the rural settings in relation to agriculture and allied activities, to familiarize students with socio-economic conditions of farmers and their problems and to learn real field situations, especially in contact with farmers. The students of 8th semester have to undertake the experimental learning program like production technology for bioagent and biofertilizers, soil, water and plant analysis, and seed production and technology, which provides skill and revenue-based knowledge regarding agriculture.
The departmental faculty put the best possible efforts to ensure that students learn science, art and technology of agriculture, which help them to face the world confidently and with high self-esteem. The department have well-equipped UG laboratory in all departments with advanced molecular facilities along with experimental farm for conducting practical and research work in department. Our college laboratory have all the necessary equipments like atomic absorption spectrophotometer, Zeldal distillation unit, spectrophotometer, pH meter, EC meter, double distillation unit, flame photometer, digital constant temperature water bath COD incubator, millipure ultra pure water unit, muffle furnace, single distillation unit, digestion unit, orbital shaker cum incubator, mini fermenter, UV cabinet, colony counter, digital microscope, autoclave, laminar airflow, Coursera rearing room, insect drying chamber, seed germinator, tabletop centrifuge, mini centrifuge, gel electrophoresis unit, UV transluminator, nano drop biospectrometer, fruit crusher, screw type juice extractor, different types of sprayer and duster. The departmental faculties encourage the students to make practical models like integrated farming system models, crop models, mushroom cultivation unit, entomophage park, etc., which boost practical thinking in students.
The Jabugam farm, previously known as Seed Farm, was started since long back in 1958-59 and was working under District Panchayat. In September 2000, it was handed over to Revenue Department of Gujarat State. Finally, in February 2009, the farm was handed over to Anand Agricultural University. Banana scheme is running under the research station. Research conducted on crops like banana, black gram, maize, green gram, sesame, chickpea, pigeon pea, pearl millet, etc. Total 13 recommendations made for farmers as well as scientific community from this center. 2 varieties developed at ARS Jabugam. One for black gram, GAU for Shyamal, which is yellow mosaic virus resistant variety, and second for mango, GM1 Anand Rasraj. Also, contribution in development of 7 varieties or hybrid of different crops. The center has huge collection of 77 germplasm of banana, 37 germplasm of date palm, and 43 germplasm of ornamental banana. Quality seed production like castor hybrid GCH7 and 9, paddy variety GR13, GR14, GR101, black gram variety Shyamal, sweet corn hybrid Madhuram, maize hybrid Gujarat Anand yellow maize hybrid 1 and 3, green gram variety GM5, GM8, groundnut variety GG34, etc. for farmers as well as research purpose. The research station also carried out training programs for imparting agriculture related training to farmers.
The development of tribal areas is a prime priority of the state. Chota Udaipur is one such area of the state, and with the consideration of agricultural development of this region, the government of Gujarat sanctioned College of Agriculture at Jabugam in the year 2012, and it started BSc Honours Agriculture degree program from the year 2013. Up till now, 5 batches with the total number of 143 students passed out from this college. Indian agriculture has been facing many challenges such as low yield, low productivity, low profitability in farming, etc. Furthermore, the most important thing is that the agricultural education should address all the requirements of the major stakeholder, that is farmer. With the consideration of all these things, we at College of Agriculture Jabugam focus all our endeavors to prepare the students enough capacious so that they can meet the needs of the current situation. Besides making them technocrats, we also pay due attention for inculcating in them true human values so that they can exhibit good citizenship behavior in the society. I know ours is a very recently established college, but with the dedicated efforts of all our staff members, we shall rise further and further and we shall excel.